Experiencing issues with your Rogers Smart Home Monitoring app? You're not alone. Many users face login failures, app crashes, or update problems. This video breaks down common causes and provides effective solutions to get your smart home back on track. Let's start with login problems, which often stem from expired sessions, incorrect credentials, or network issues. Ensure you're using the correct Rogers account details and that your Wi-Fi signal is strong. Two-factor authentication can also cause issues if not handled correctly, so double-check your SMS or Authenticator app prompts. If problems persist, try resetting your password. We'll then address cache-related issues, where temporary data buildup can slow down or crash the app, especially on low-storage devices. Lastly, we will talk about how to resolve update troubles. First, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Rogers Smart Home Monitoring, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. On iOS, try offloading the app and reinstalling it to clear cache. Next, ensure your app is up to date via the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. For persistent login issues, reset your login by forgetting the account and re-logging in. As a last resort, or if these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Rogers Support directly. They now offer AI-assisted troubleshooting via their app support chat for faster resolutions. Keep in mind that Rogers is migrating to a fully cloud-native architecture by 2027, which aims to eliminate cache dependencies and reduce app crashes. Also, maintaining cybersecurity practices is important, so avoid using public Wi-Fi for logins to prevent data leaks.